4th May 2012. Main road, Nolby. Here it comes. Go through here, through the mountain here, in the woods. And continue to Bresan, where it comes out again. What a job. Oh my God, what a work. Now you can see the Volvo machines. This company has my family started, Munktell's. Theo from Munktell, 1832, Eskilstuna, it's my family. Today the name is VCE, one of the largest companies in Sweden.